friends, happy Wednesday. So today we're going to be reading the story. We're going to read Clifford the Firehouse Dog. And we're reading this with permission from Scholastic. Hi, my name is Emily Elizabeth, and this is my dog Clifford. Clifford is not the oldest in the family, but he is the biggest. Last week, Clifford and I went to the city to visit Clifford's brother, Nero. Clifford knew the way. Nero lives in a firehouse. He is a fire rescue dog. I asked the firefighter if Clifford could help. They thought he was the right color for the job. Just then, a group of school children came in for a fire safety class. Nero showed them what to do if their clothing was on fire. To smother the flames, you stop, drop to the floor, and roll until the fire is out. Clifford thought he could do that. He repeated the lesson for the class. He stopped. He dropped. He rolled. He rolled a little too far. Just then, we heard the siren. There was a fire! Nero stayed to guard the children. Clifford and I ran ahead. He cleared the streets for the fire trucks. Smoke was pouring out from the top floor of a tall building. Clifford pushed the crowd back to a safe place. He saw some people in trouble. Clifford to the rescue. The heavy hose was hard to unreel. Clifford gave the firefighters a hand. But then he saw that the fire hydrant was stuck shut. Thank goodness Clifford was there to unstick it. They had to get the smoke out of the building. Clifford made a hole in the roof. The firefighters were calling for more water. Clifford found some. He helped clear the smoke away. When the fire was out, Clifford made sure that the firefighters got out of the building safely. They were grateful for everything he had done to help. We gave some firefighters a ride back to the firehouse. Clifford was a hero. The fire chief made him an honorary fire rescue dog, just like his brother Nero. The end. Alrighty, friends, I'm going to see you in just a couple minutes in our class Zoom, so I'll see you soon. Bye. Miss you.